Okay, so just doing a quick video on how to drop the tire on a Ford F150. This is a 2018. So you just go in the passenger door and you'd want to flip the seat up. I guess this is more on the driver's side actually, but anyway, you need these tools here. Pull these out here. Okay, once you get your rods out, this here was in the end of one. You don't need this. This here is for the jack. You just put these together like this. This here is the end that goes in to lower the tire. And then you can take your this here and put it together like that. Then normally there's like a key thing here. The owner must have removed it and didn't replace it. So anyway, you just use the key to pull that out, and then this here, just feed this in. And then once you get it in, you just turn counterclockwise to drop the tire. Okay, so once you get it dropped, you just give it a little slack so you can just tip this up. Okay, there, I got it out. Okay, so while you're right here, a good thing to do is get some WD-40 or some kind of lubricant and spray up in here so that it doesn't seize up. Anyway guys, that's how you drop a tire on a Ford F-150.